Hi everyone. To manage the citation or to add the bibliography in any document, there are different software available. So these are the software you can see: RefWorks, Zotero, Mendeley, EndNote. So there are different software. We commonly use this Zotero app. Okay, that Zotero software, it is available in that website Zotero zotero.org. So here you can visit that website and download the different Zotero software. So for Windows, most commonly we download Zotero connector, which will download both the software which is needed for the Zotero app and the Google connector, that connecting extension, that Google Chrome extension, which will connect any article to your Zotero software. Okay, and if you have MacBook, you can download Zotero 6 app for your Mac. So Zotero app can be used to cite for any PPT PowerPoint presentation and to cite any Microsoft Word presentation. So if you install your Zotero app in Microsoft Office, there will be one plugin that will be automatically coming. If it doesn't come, then you have to manage along wherever the add-in software or add-on manager is available. Okay, that you have to find out from where you will be adding that Zotero plugin. Okay, like this here, Zotero add-in. So I will just show briefly how to cite any article in both Microsoft PowerPoint presentation as well as in Microsoft Word. So for that, I have installed the Zotero app. This is my Zotero app. When I click the Zotero app, this will be the interface of the Zotero. Here there will be one folder, yellow color. So whenever you will be collecting some group of article for any topic, you have to click on this new collection. So new collection is just sample collection, I will write. So in sample collections or folder, this will be the space where all the article will be saved. Okay, these are different my previous works where I have added different articles. So these are the individual articles, okay, which have been added. So we'll be working on our sample folder. So first I have to search any article on internet, then I have to add that article in that Zotero app. So how to do that thing? Just I have to search, suppose topic is anemia prevalence in India. Okay, so I will be going to that PubMed article. So this is one of the article. So whenever I visit any website, so any journal website as well as PubMed, they have already given the citation. Suppose I am going to Indian Journal of Community Medicine article. So suppose this is the website. Here I am going to open any one article. So this is the article. Okay, this is the article. So everywhere in every website there will be already some format of citation. Like here, if I click, this is the citation, this is the full complete citation, but this will not be according to the format which we want. There are different type of format. So you can, of course, if you just need any type of citation in any format, just you can copy and you can paste to your citation wherever you want to cite, like in PowerPoint. Okay, so here I have just added that article citation, and for PowerPoint presentation it is very easy. Suppose this is the this was the article that exploring the efficacy of sotagliflozin. So the my narrative or my sentence was the exploration of soda giflozin. Then I will be giving that superscript. Okay, these were my sentence, and this is the bibliography that I have. Here I have cited this number one article here, and this is the bibliography inside. So this is one format. So everywhere, whenever you go to any website, either in PubMed or in individual respective journals website, you will get the citation. Here in PubMed you will get that similar format. Here in, if you click on that cite button, you will get that citation. Okay, but it doesn't ensure you that exact format. Like there are different style of formatting: Vancouver style, Vancouver with superscript, with superscript with bracket, then American Medical Association, like different type of citation is present. So for that you have to, and also by this way you cannot add the citation in Microsoft Word. So Zotero will help you out in this case. So for that, uh, as I have already told, once you download the download that Zotero software, there will be one plugin for Google Chrome, that extensions you can see they are prompting save to Zotero. So once I open that article, I have to just ensure that the Zotero app is open in the background, and that respective folder where I want to save that article is also open. So now I have to click that Chrome extension. So I'll be clicking. So here it is prompting that saving to sample. Sample is the folder, and it is that showing that it has been saved. Means whenever you are just clicking, initially there will be saving and it will be fade. Then once it is in deep color, that open access PDF, that means it has been saved. Okay, so you can also change. Now it is saved, that snapshot, it is deep color. You can also change to other folder also. Okay, from here. So once it is saved, you will get to see that same article in that sample folder in the Zotero app. So now you, what you have to do, if you are citing in any PowerPoint presentation, like here I'll be writing that prevalence of anemia in elderly is high in India, and I have to cite this article, this statement. So what I will be doing, I'll be going that article in the Zotero software. I have to right click here. There will be some list of options, and I have to go to create bibliography from item. So here you will be getting that lot of options, that American Chemical Society, American Medical Association. These are different style of citation. So I will be using this Vancouver superscript bracket only here in date. So this I will be using, this is standard acceptable style of citation. And then my output mode will be bibliography, output method will be copy to clipboard. Now I have to click OK. That means that citation or that reference has been copied. Now I have to just paste in wherever I want to create that bibliography. So I have to control V. Okay, so this is that. This is that reference that has been added against this statement. Okay, for to add in any word file, you have to adapt, you have to take a different way. That is, this is the word file. So this is that, this is the sentence, this is my sentence. So here what I have to do, India. So in any word file we have two type of format, two space. One is that main narrative. Suppose this is the introduction part of any thesis. So this is my sentence: prevalence of anemia in elderly is high in India. This is my statement, and this is the reference section. Here I have to add reference one by one. So what you have to do, you have to just uh, click your cursor after the statement or that sentence which I want to cite. So here I have kept my cursor here, and now I will be clicking add or edit citation. Once I click it, there will be one window that will be open. This is that first time it will prompt like which type of style you want to adopt. Don't change here anything, then click OK. So this type of window will be open. Okay, so this type of window will be open, and you have to just click here classic view. So here in sample you can just click that article and click OK. That means that number one citation reference has been added. There is another options also. You just add citation, and you just write down or the copy paste the title of the article or that name of the author. Suppose this is the name of the author Daniel, so here you will write Daniel, Daniel. So this is that same article, or you just copy paste the title of that article again, that Daniel et al will be showed. Okay, so once you get to select that article, then your job will be to just click OK or enter. Like this, I have to just copy paste, I have to select the article, then I have to enter. Okay, so that you will be entered. So already we added that uh, article in the reference number one. So here in the reference section, I have to keep my cursor of that mouse, and then I have to click on that add or edit bibliography button. So once I add the bibliography button, so it will automatically bring that article. Suppose this is my second sentence: most of the anemia is due to iron C deficiency. So this is my second sentence. So against second sentence I have to add another reference. So suppose another reference is um, another reference I have to show iron deficiency anemia elderly. This is the second reference article which I want to cite for my second statement. So here I will be again saving that article to that sample folder, and the name of that article is iron deficiency anemia in elderly. So here what I will do, I will just take my cursor to the end of that sentence, and I will click on that add or edit citation. Then I will paste the title of that article, so it will come the iron deficiency. I will click, then I will press the enter button. So see that number two reference has been added in that superscript, and here it has been added as a bibliography. So if I want to change that style of that reference, there are different styles. So for that you have to do, you have to go to document preference, and you have to select that which type of, suppose I want to select nature type of citation style. So I will click OK. Okay, and see that bracket has been removed, and this citation style has also been changed. Okay, So by this way you can change. Of course your Zotero app should be open in the background and it should be connected to internet, then only it will work. Then suppose I want to add another sentence in between number 1 and number 2 citation has been added. Now I have to add another sentence like most of the prevalence is in rural area. So this I have to add. So already 1 and 2 they are in sequence, and I want to add another article here. So don't worry for that, just find out any article for that. Suppose another article that I want to show. mm, Suppose this is the article that I want to add, is patterns of geriatric anemia. So what I will be doing, I will be copying that title of the article and I will be adding that article into the Zotero sample folder. Then I will be going to that Microsoft Word. This is my second sentence which I want to cite. Then I will be clicking on citation. Then I will be clicking OK and then I will press the enter button. Now see that it has been added in number 2, and the second next sentence it has been added as a number 3 reference, and it has already automatically been changed. Sometime if it doesn't change, then you have to press this refresh button. Okay, that refresh button will do the refresh and it will automatically sequence all the references automatically. So next part is that Zotero app is not 100% accurate. They will give the almost 95 to 90 to 95% formatting of any citation style. So just you have to check against the standard rule of citation, like where you will get the standard rule. Suppose I want to make this as a Vancouver style, so I am changing that document preferences to Vancouver superscript. Okay, that I have changed. So now you have to know what is the actual method of citation using the Vancouver style. So Vancouver style reference, you have to read about key exact format. What is the exact format of Vancouver style? Okay, so for different type of article there are different style of thank you reference, like to refer to any act of parliament, this is the format. If you want to refer to any blog, this is the format. If you want to cite any book, this is the format, standard format. If you want to give any conference proceeding, this is the format. Okay, ebook, film, journal article, if you want to give, this is the standard format that you want to keep in mind. So whenever you are completing the referencing and you are done with making that paragraph or the whole word file, then you have to edit manually that what are the deficiency here they have kept. Okay, so according to that deficiency you have to change the formatting style. Okay, so for that you have to just ensure that your article or your word file is complete and you are not adding any more reference. So for that, better to get a copy, keep a separate copy in store and do work with your new copy. Because here what you have to do, suppose here I have to add something new which they have not given. Suppose this is the journal, this journal name, it was not added as per the citation of that Zotero app. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to manually correct that journal of family medicine and primary care. Suppose this is the complete style. So what you have to do, you have to unlink beforehand. Unlink citation. Unlink citation means that Zotero app will be disconnected from that, from this citation. Okay, then you can do whatever changes you want to do. Okay, because if you don't do that unlink, what it will have, it will just change that same change all the changes that you have made automatically. Okay, so that's the part you have to keep in mind. So whatever the citation you add according to the Zotero app, at the end of that work you have to modify according to the standard guideline of the Vancouver style. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. I think you have understood what, how to use Zotero app here. Any further query, you can contact me. Okay, thank you.